What's going on, guys? Welcome back for part 3 of the Chevy 3100 project truck. So in today's video, we're going to start by mounting up the Hydro Boost setup for the brakes. I am going with the Hydro Boost setup out of a 97 Dodge Ram. It shouldn't be too bad. We have the pedal setup out of a 97 Ram inside. So all the brackets and everything should line up, everything should bolt right up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean up the setup that we got. That way we can get it mounted up. Alright guys, so here we have the master cylinder and the Hydro Boost setup. As you can see, they're pretty grody. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get that cleaned up. Alright, now that we've got the Hydro Boost somewhat cleaned up, we'll go ahead and try to mount it. Probably going to either end up wire reeling this down and repainting it, or maybe even just get a new unit. Not too sure yet, but for right now it's clean enough that I can throw it up on there and not be covered in grease. Alright, so as you can see, I did pull a distribution block off of here. Got this here bolted together. And I was going to go ahead and bolt it up, but I ran into an issue where the master cylinder was actually going to come into contact with the intake here. So I went ahead and took my pedal assembly down, and I'm going to have to move it up higher. So what I did was I put it up higher just to kind of get an idea where I want it to be. And now I'm going to be drilling a hole with a hole saw right about here. That way we can put this through, and then we will remount the pedals. Alright guys, so got it mounted up there. Gonna be putting a plate behind here, as you can see with this top piece here. I had to go up to this, so I will be putting a plate behind it, but for now, you can see I just stuck some washers behind there. That's gonna be where it goes. Not too bad on fitment. Shouldn't have any issues with the hood, but if I do, I could always get a smaller one, not a big deal. Alright guys, I did have to end up remounting the pedal assembly up there. I did move it up higher and a little bit out to the side. Like I said before, this is the automatic pedal, but I will be getting the clutch pedals or the clutch and the brake pedal for the manual soon. But it does line up. Everything seems to be working good. Like I said, gonna be putting a plate in here so that's sitting a little bit better. But everything's looking pretty good. Like I said, I'm going to be getting the manual pedal assembly pretty soon. I ended up throwing the seat bottom here, which is going to get reupholstered in, just to see how it felt with the brake pedal there. It does seem like it's maybe a touch high, but I have a feeling that I'm going to end up having to bend the pedals a little bit anyway. So that's not too big of a deal. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this episode. I didn't really do too much on camera. I can't really film inside the cab all too much. It doesn't work out very well. Otherwise, you're just going to be looking at my back, basically. But I filmed as much as I can. Next episode will be a little bit longer. I'm not positive what I'm going to be doing yet. I'm thinking either replacing this cowl section here, inner, outer, all that fun stuff. Or might be replacing a cross member on the bed, so that'll be sitting on there. But yeah, either way, that'll be a next video, probably gonna be out tomorrow. Just to give you guys an idea of when these should be out. I do work Monday through Friday. Most of the time I will make it down here on nights after work, but I don't really get all too much done. Saturdays and Sundays are when I'm usually here, so you guys should expect 1 to 2 episodes a week. But yeah, like I said, next episode will be a little bit longer. You guys will see a lot more going on. Definitely some welding and rust repair. All right, catch you later.